friends, here is a quick and simple hairstyle you can make for your baby girl. I started by sectioning her hair into two. Then I went ahead and sprayed some water. This hair is already washed and conditioned. Then I sectioned the small portion by her right side and started detangling with a big comb. That's the only way she allows me to comb her hair, and it actually reduces tension. These are the products that I use for her. I applied the smoothing edge control, then proceeded to use the colorful rubber band to hold the hair. I did this like 4 or 5 times. Then I proceeded to braiding. If you don't know how to braid, you can do twisting or any method that works for you. Then I did the same for the left hand side, applied the smoothing edge control. Then I held with the rubber band. So the aim of this hairstyle is to make a crisscross or X pattern hairstyle. So I braided also. This style works very well for different occasions, for birthdays, for little bride, or any occasion you may have coming up, but it's a cute style. Then I went ahead and did the same for the next row. Then I crossed the left braid to the right hand side and do the same also for the right braid to the left hand side. This is how you keep doing it. I chose to only do 4 lines of this on her hair because her hair is long, but if you have a little girl with a short hair, you might want to do more rows, like 4 or 5 rows, so that the hair wouldn't be too short to cross over to the next line. I did only 3 sections. Then for the last roll in front, I decided I was going to make a puff. If you have a big girl or if you have someone with longer hair, you may choose to do the bantu knots or any other puff or like a donut style that works for you in front. So I first of all held it individually because I don't want to put more pressure to her hair. Then I crossed the last braid to the front part and held it softly. I didn't make it so hard. Then I did the same for the other side. You can see how nice the puff looks, and this is how simple and quick this style can be. It didn't take me much time. It could take as low as 1 hour or less than that. So here is this style. Please share with your friends if you enjoyed watching this, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you.